Hi, so this is Talking Rabbit. I'm gonna walk you through how the site works currently. I don't have the audio voice like interaction working currently, but I'm working on that right now. So just run you through the onboarding process. You start off by just answering your name, just context of who you are in general, right? Want to understand your age to make sure the conversations are age appropriate to your specific age range. Let's say I'm a 12-year-old, for example. And then the same thing with the interest, right? You want the AI to talk about things you find inherently interesting. The reason for this is that when you want children to learn something, it's imperative to not just like make it educational, but it has to be what's the right term? Engaging, right? You wanna hold the attention for prolonged periods of time. So basically, the AI will generate subtopics for each theme of things they enjoy. Kept it simple, just for the MVP purposes, that is. So I'm focusing purely on African languages because it's a context I understand, particularly Southern African languages and some Nigerian languages here and there. That's so. What you're doing here is you're choosing the languages you actually want to learn. Presumably the languages that are like your cultural languages, the ones you have back home. So after we onboard the user, then they have a profile, right? I'm just gonna upload an image for this. Trying to find a good image that I like. There you go. Well, should be saving, but I'll look into that. Oh, here it is. Okay, so the level will be just like right now I'm hard coding that, but it's gonna show the level that you're at with regards to the particular language you're learning, based on the conversations you've been having regarding the topics you're chatting about. So again, with this, I am like hard coding the XP, the progress, but that will be like a conditional bar based on how you perform in different conversations. So in the background, what's happening is like I'm passing the topic to AI along with the age of the user and generating subtopics based on that, and some practice words based on the particular subtopic and level of difficulty for each subtopic. And then I'm just storing those topics in a cache so that going forward you don't have to keep calling AI to generate those subtopics until you're done with a particular subtopic entirely. So what I'm still building out is the chat interface, but you click on start chat. You're gonna interact with the AI in that language of your choice. It's gonna respond back to you in that language of that's been chosen. Obviously, there's issues around like the tonality. So right now there's two aspects, right, to learning a language. There's the vocabulary itself, and then the tonality, the accent. Now I'm not dealing with the accent part of things. It's a different problem altogether. In all fairness, particularly with African languages, there's not a lot of research done around that. There's not a lot of like solutions that exist to get like the tonality right around like some African languages. So it's a different thing altogether. But I'm worried more about the tonality for the time being. So you send this and you get like a response back and so on and so on and so on. That's the long and short of it. So basically, in a nutshell, helping first generation kids raised by African immigrants learn their native languages in an immersive way to remain connected to their culture.